So in this video, we are taking a closer look at this ORICO USB Type-C hub, which actually has a detachable cable. Very few USB Type-C hubs actually have a removable cable in terms of the cable that you connect actually to your PC. So it seems most of them are actually designed to use as a laptop. Else you have to buy a dock with like display ports and so on. But if you only really use or need USB, there are really not that many USB Type-C hubs that you can actually get with a detachable cable. This was one of the few only white available, even though it does have a black color there on the box. So let's just have a look at what we actually get in the box. First off, we get a little warranty card here from ORICO. So of course, thank you for buying our products. And you can just scan the QR codes there if you want to know further. And also you get a little quick start instructions there, both in Chinese, but it does actually also have English in there, and actually pretty decent manual for a device like this in this kind of price category. And of course, link to this device down in the description below if you are interested. So this is a USB 3.2 Gen 1, so a 5 gigabits per second USB hub. It doesn't have any possibility or any way of connecting power to this hub, other than of course what you're getting from the computer. So you cannot really power bigger devices like old spinning drives may cause issues. So only flash drives and stuff like that, mouse and printers and whatever devices that don't really require that much power. And of course you get this detachable USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. This is a 3.2 Gen 1 cable, so a 5 gigabits per second cable, and it's around 80 centimeters long. And this is very nice that I can detach it, so I can use my own cable and have a longer cable run with this one here. And then of course you have the USB hub itself. Like I said, you can only get it in white for some reason. The black one is not in stock. So yeah, I just bought the, of course, white one here. ORICO branding there on the top. You have two USB-A here on the front and one USB Type-C in the front as well. And on the side here, you have another USB Type-C. So in all, you have two USB Type-C and two USB Type-A that you can connect to this one here. And both of them is 3.2 Gen 1, so 5 gigabits per second. And of course, this is your connection to the computer. So this is the uplink port that you can, of course, use the cable or whatever kind of cable you want use with this one here. Like I said, no additional power can be connected to this hub. So all you get is the power from your USB computer or for the USB port on your computer. So of course, one end here into the hub and the other end into your computer. So if you have a USB Type-C plug on the back of your computer, it could be quite handy to actually branch it out a little bit here, so you could connect several devices. And you can connect mice, printers and such. I plan to use it for my flash storage devices. But of course you can connect up to 4 devices, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A to this one here. And I've tested with 4 devices and definitely works quite reliably as well. So I think actually nice little hub, fairly inexpensive. It is total plastic-y, but that's what you must expect from a device of this price range here. And like I said, link in the description if you're interested. But let's just do some quick testing here. See how much data we can get through this device here. So this is my SSD, USB SSD connected to a 5 gigabits per second USB port on my computer. And you can see this is the read and write speed I am getting for that disk here. So around 460 megabytes per second read and write. And this below here, the 2 images below, is connected through the USB-C hub. You can see just shy of a megabyte less here on read speed, but actually a few megabytes faster on write speed, at least when connected to USB-A, but connected to the USB-C port, I actually get around 1 megabits per second, or megabyte, per second, slower in write speed and read speed as well. So that's within the margin of error, I would definitely say. So you shouldn't really expect to see any speed limitations when connected to the USB hub, except if you have several devices connected. And of course, you are sending and receiving at the same time to all those devices. Your bandwidth is only 5 gigabits per second, and that's for all the 4 USB ports, but that's the same as any other USB hub. So if you have several SSD devices connected, of course you will just pretty much have the speed if you have 2 SSDs writing and reading to those at the same time using this hub or any other hub out there, but definitely not experience any issues with this hub. Works reliably, inexpensive, small, compact, with a removable cable. So if you're in a market for a device like this, a hub like this, definitely check this one out. Share some link in the description, like I said, if it's still available, or maybe it's come back in stock so you can get it in black as well. But as of this time of this video, the white one here is the only one they had available. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope to see you again in a future one. Until then, take care.